Our client for this project was the Salt River Project. SRP is a major utility company that has delivered water and power to central Arizona for a century. The Western Canal is one of 5 major canals in Phoenix that supplies water for both irrigation and municipal use. In the late 1960s, Arizona Department of Transportation constructed the twin box culverts to carry the canal water under I-10. An inspection in 2017 revealed that the reinforcing steel in the soffit of the culverts was corroding, causing cracking and spalling of the concrete. The consulting firm WSP was retained to evaluate the structure and recommend a repair strategy considering serviceability issues such as stability, durability, and cracking, plus strength of the culvert to carry the Interstate Freeway traffic load safely. WSP recommended a combination of repair of corroded regions with cathodic protection and the use of carbon FRP for strengthening of the soffits. Based on previously completed successful projects, such as the repair of a 90-year-old riveted penstock and several bridges in Phoenix, SRP and ADOT decided to award the contract to the team of FRP Construction and QuakeWrap Inc. as a design-build project. The engineer of record provided a performance spec, and it was up to each FRP manufacturer to provide the design subject to the EOR's approval. Strengthening of the box culverts was achieved by a single layer of unidirectional carbon fabric. The fabric steps were overlapped by 2 inches along the edges. Although this provided significantly higher strength than necessary, the complete coverage of the soffit would provide an impervious protective layer that will delay corrosion of the steel in the soffit. To facilitate the construction, water was diverted into one cell while the adjacent culvert was being repaired. Construction included installation of anodes before the concrete was patched. 12-inch by 12-inch chamfers were also built along the edges to increase the negative moment capacity of the slab. The 24-inch wide carbon FRP fabric was saturated with epoxy in the field and installed, and a top coat was applied. The project was completed over a period of 3 months during the low flow season. The engineer's estimate for replacement of this culvert was $25 million and would have resulted in significant disruption of traffic. The repairs were completed at a total cost of only $1.3 million over a 3-month period, with 0 traffic disruption or control. We thank the support of our partners on this project that are listed here. Please click on the button to the right to follow us on our YouTube channel.